Bill McRae here from Bulletproof Email Solution. Why do you need to learn list segmentation? I want to illustrate to you why it's so important. Okay, imagine if you want to watch your favorite television show. Let's say it's Friends. I probably watched a few episodes back in the 90s myself. And you turn to ESPN and there's nothing but football on. I've subscribed to this TV service, but I don't want to watch football. Okay, so then you go to HGTV and they're fixing homes, but there's no Friends on. And then you switch to another channel, and you switch to another, and you finally get to the channel that's got sitcoms, and there's Friends. And you kick back, and you pay attention, and you watch that channel. And if you're like my wife, you're going to watch it every day, so you bookmark that channel, you come back over and over and over and watch every episode. Okay, now to complete the analogy. Imagine you are interested in, let's say, Bitcoin. You sign up for somebody's list that's about Bitcoin, and you figure, oh, cool, I'll learn something about Bitcoin. Maybe I'll get into doing it. And the next email is about YouTube. And then the following email is about getting rich quick off of some scam. And the fourth email is about how to make money off of Twitter. But there's nothing else coming along about Bitcoin. So you think to yourself, well, I thought I was going to find out more information about Bitcoin. But it looks like this email list is just about random stuff. I'm going to opt out, or I'm going to just file it into the spam folder, or I'm going to filter it into its own little private folder, and maybe later on I'll go look at it. Now, that's the importance of segmentation. Okay, there are two types of segmentation. If you're a solo ad seller, you just want to focus on the people that open their emails. And yeah, you're going to shotgun market them anything and everything. And that's why it doesn't last very long, because they get frustrated quickly. So you got to constantly replenish your leads. But if you are a marketer selling, let's say, 5 or 6 different ClickBank products, maybe you have one that focuses on YouTube, and you have one that focuses on list building, and you have one that focuses on high-end webinars. You can ask those questions by the title of your emails that go out. Your beginning emails are pretty generic. Hey, I got some information about building websites. Do you want to learn more about that? Here's a video. And if they open an email, you drop them onto that list, and then everything that follows up is an email about building websites. Or they do want to know about, let's say, the Bitcoin stuff. You pop them into a channel that's all Bitcoin. Just like TV, they stay put. This guy really knows his stuff about building websites. Look at that. He's got a new website builder. I bet you it's good because he's very faithful and honest about building a website all the time. So when you're marketing to that individual what they are interested in, and you're consistent with that marketing, that's how you get conversions on ClickBank or JVZoo, same thing. So, and it works the same thing when we get into YouTube marketing and other types of marketing. If you are all over the place and you have no sensibility to how you're promoting, you lose your list members very quickly. And that's why, as a solo ad supplier, I know I need a steady flow of low-cost leads, because they come in and they lose interest very quickly, because every day it's an email about how to get rich quick. And it's a bunch of stuff. And, my cost is the cost of leads, cost to manage a huge database, my labor to manage that database, and the cost to replace my IPs when they wear out. Now, if you're a solo ad seller, you may be dealing with Aweber or GetResponse. Good luck. It won't last long. Have fun. I hope you make some money. But the fact is, most people aren't going to be doing that. Most people are going to be marketing to a specific group of people, a specific group of products. So that's why you need to learn to segment. That's the very cool thing about Bulletproof Email Solution. It really is the only product out there that teaches you how to segment, gives you the templates to actually do the segmentation, walks you through the process, and then even shows you how to sell solo ads. So I hope you have a great day and you enjoyed this information.